Hello and you're welcome to Python Made Simple. I left out a topic in our previous video and I would like to cover it here. So today we'll be looking at in-place operators in Python. Now suppose you have a variable x and you decide to store the number 3 in it. Now let's confirm what we've stored in x using the print statement. Now I want to increase this value of x by 1. So what do? X plus 1 and I get 4. But then if I check the value of x, it still gives me 3. It doesn't show any increment. It doesn't save the increment I've made. So in order to make this increment affect the variable I've saved, I use x is equal to x plus 1. So now if I come and print x, I have the increment I've made. Also, assuming I have a variable y and I decide to store it as 3, writing this whole x being equal to x plus 1 in a short form, I can say y plus or equal to 1. And if I print y, I get the increment and sum. So we're rewriting x being equal to x plus 1 as y being equal to y being x plus equal to 1, what we refer to as in-place functions, in-place operators. You can do this with so many things. So considering this other example, let's say x, and we decide to store spam in it. Okay, now let's confirm what we've stored in x. So we have spam being stored in x. Now I want x plus or equal to x. So if I print x, I get spam x. Now with in-place operators, you can apply to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and even the modulo operator. So that is all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and then like the video. Thank you.